This friendship bracelet is so sweet. I'm going to make one for my daughter and one for myself. I'm starting with Brazilian wax cord, 0.5 millimeters. I'm finding that this is perfect to go through Czech glass. Okay, let's get started. We're going to start with the little green one. Use the purple and blue one. Then we're going to do our 3 little tulips. These are so pretty. Little gold in the middle. Blue, our blue and purple one, and finish with our green. So that was so easy. Now what we're going to do is bring the ends together, bring it down to the middle, and we're going to knot each side. Just a simple overhand knot. Bring it all the way down to the bead. And do the same for the other side. What I like to do next is take a little bead to put it on the end of my string. And I'll tell you why in a second. Okay, let's do the other side. Make our knot at the end. So I'm going to start tying this with my bracelet on the side and the 2 ends one over the other. And it doesn't matter if this side is over like this or this side is over like this. As long as the strings are not crossed, you're going to be fine. So then I'm going to take my 13-inch string and I'm going to put it underneath both of the strings. Bring it up to the middle. Get as much centered as I can, and then tie my knot. I put these little beads on already because it's going to help me know that these are the 2 strings that I'm going to be tying with. These are not going to be tied at all. These are just going to be hanging out here. So, okay, so let's get started tying. First, what we're going to do is make sure that this is straight. Then we're going to take our right hand side, put it over the 2 middle strings. We're going to come with our left string, put it over the string that we just crossed over with the middle. Then we're going to come underneath and bring it through the loop on the other side. And then pull it into a little knot. Okay, let's keep going. Now we're going to do the left side. It's going to go over the 2 middle strings. The right side is going to go over this cord that we just put there. We're going to bring it underneath and through this loop and pull it. We're going to do it again. We're going to do this about 5 or 6 times. The right now starts off with crossing over the two middle ones. The left one is going to go over the right one that we just placed there, and then it's going to go underneath the two center cords and through the loop. Okay, now we're just going to keep going until we've got 5 or 6 knots. Then we're going to cut our ends off. Cut the other side off. Use our lighter. Melt down the end so it doesn't fray. Let's do the other side. And there we have our completed friendship bracelet. Just pull, make it smaller, pull it out to make it bigger. And there you have it. Easy peasy. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.